That's hot. There. Let's see what happens, eh? Whew. Little bit of steak on. Might even do it as like a toasted sandwich. Oh no. Crunchy few bits. Never hurt anyone, did it? Oh, tastes so much better over fire. What a day though, thinking of that. Saw emus, cows, bumped into a guy who was like a gold miner, like on that TV show, living out bush for four weeks at a time, going home for 5 days, coming back. Oh, doesn't get much better. A lot of country covered today. You didn't see it all. There was a lot of country, a lot of washouts. I would have loved to have gone down that track in the middle of when it's like wet and those creeks were flowing. It was awesome. It would have been awesome to see that, but it was an awesome track. Checked out the old homestead, what's left of it, the ruins. They'd have some stories to tell, and that kitchen would definitely have some stories to tell. The yarns, and it would have been cooked and told in there. I know I'm loading all my wood up, but like that should burn. Jeez, it's only 20 to 6. That should burn for another hour or two. It's going to be definitely an early night. Fair bit of wood here. Well, I'm just going to sit down in front of the bush tally, relax, watch the series. As it gets darker, go to bed and relax. So, cheers for today, following along. If anything exciting happens, I'll let you know. Hopefully I can see some stuff tonight. I am hearing a lot of planes. So I think I'm on a flight path, so it could be a noisy night. Stars are already starting to come out. See a few up there. So yeah, let's see what happens, eh? I wonder if I get any wildlife come for a drink. That would be cool to see. Probably won't be till the morning, first light, and I'll probably be snugged up in there snoring. Oh, that's putting some heat out. Ah. Good morning. Well, I missed the pinkness in the sky. I looked out the window and it was just ending and I couldn't be bothered getting out. It's cold this morning. Oh, very cold. I don't know if it's colder. Yeah, it's just there's a slight breeze coming from the east, northeast, which is like ice. Oh, time for some brekkie, I think. Oh, actually, maybe just a coffee to warm up. Oh. Definitely time for a hot drink. It's that cold. Oh. Oh. And I forgot my beanie. Of all things to forget in winter is my beanie. Need some water. Oh, sounds like that's boiled. Oh, time for a nice hot brewski. Oh. Might be a couple of coffees this morning. Oh. Now, it might. Oh, fire's taken off. I threw a little bit of wood on it and it's just hammered. Well, not hammered, but it's just got itself alight, as you can see. Shows how much heat there is in the morning after a night of burning. I think it went out about midnight. So yeah. Just need that sun to come out. Forgot how cold it gets in winter. Oh. But anyway. Didn't hear any traffic last night. There is a dirt road, a main dirt road, probably 100, 200 metres from us. So, which was good. Nothing this morning yet. Thought, might have been a bit, but no. But now, didn't even see any or hear any wildlife last night. Like the odd little bird in the distance, but pretty quiet out here, I must say. A lot of people might have camped down there. Oh. Not much here, just a rock. Big granite rock, not huge, just a little granite rock compared to what's around. Definitely a different kind of sky this morning. Cloudy. It's yeah. Not like the not like summer. Not much up here really. It's a shame. Some nice spots. But hey, this is what you come up here for, to get away from it all, isn't it? And that's what I've done. Oh. It's so cold. That'd be a nice spot to camp. Flat, the rocky bit out. Oh, be good. Probably should have gone for a walk last night before I set up. Where I was good, but I'm not complaining one little bit. Oh. I was walking along and I noticed these like rocks that have been placed, and I was wondering what it's for, and there you go. There's water in there. And I say this one's probably the same. That looks a bit dry, that one. That one's got water. Oh. Just shows, like, it's not summer and it's the start of winter, yet there's still water around. It's pretty good. I know they've had a few rains come through, but it's pretty cool that there's water around for the wildlife. I don't think the wildlife know, but because they're not around. Made it to the end. Looks like a couple of little chairs, those rocks sitting up. But yeah, not very big, as you can see. I'm up a little bit and I can see a little view, but nothing major. The sun is gonna peek out soon, and that should warm things up. It would be nice. Oh, time to get back to the car and get warm. A hot drink. Oh, nice walk, but it did not warm me up. Oh, the wood I've thrown on is nearly all burnt. I expected. So nice. Oh. Now my solar, as you probably won't be able to see, but I'll move you around. It's not really getting sun, which is fine, because my battery is at 97%, which is pretty good, really, considering. I should have planned a bit better and parked facing that way. The wind might not have kept me awake a bit last night, just the odd flap. I think it's mainly that strap up on the rooftop that was flapping a bit, but that's all right. Wind's picking up a bit now that sun's up. And here they come. Bzzz, the flies. It's all good. Look, these flies are crazy. I mean, super crazy. They're going nuts. Like, I'm just getting swamped in them. I've made the decision. I'm packing up and hitting the road. Oh, this is just terrible. Oh. Problem is, right now, I'm downloading all the footage, which makes it even harder, because I've got to wait for that. But it's all part of the fun. I'm really digging packing this chair up. It is so easy. Oh, look at that. Done. I've just got to find this strap wherever it is. And wrap that around. There. Done. Oh. Well, that's it. These flies are absolutely crazy. Trying to get everything packed away. I'm going to hit the road. I'm not enjoying them one little bit right now. Alright. I am out of here. Thanks for coming along to this rock private bath camp. Yeah. I'll see you on the next one. If you like, subscribe, all that crap if you want. I'm not really bothered. But I'm getting out of here because these flies are going to carry me away. Oh, man. Now I've got to get them out of the car.